Try knocking one more time, Annie Lane. Hard.
Yeah, I got that hard.
Okay, here they come. What do we say to get candy? What are we going to say?
You did good. All right, let's figure out what you can eat. What do you think you can eat? All right, good choice, good choice. Is that still okay? You like that?
The lollipop anyway.
You like that flavor?
What do you say?
Is that yours? Yeah. All right.
What do you say, girls?
Bye. You're my first cow. Bye, cowgirl.
Let's go.
Hey.